I've been pretty busy these past few weeks making a bunch of amigurumi crochet animals and more stuff, and I would love to show you a closer look at what I've got done recently, so let's get into it. First off, I have these mini stuff that I made with very thin yarn. They came out so cute. I made a few ducklings and a little sheep. I used this very thin chenille yarn. I love working with it and it makes really cute projects. I usually use a 3mm hook for it and they come out great. Next up, I made a few ice creams, perfect for the summer that's coming up. Came out really nice. This I made with a thicker yarn, so it came out bigger. And I think they look just delicious. Next up, I made a bunch of these tulip flowers. They're so fun and easy to make. They work up really fast. I used to make them first the top part and then the bottom and sew them together, but then I realized I could make it simply from bottom up and it goes even faster. Then I have a bunch of these ducklings and a cow that I made. For these, I used chenille yarn from Ice Yarns called Chenille Baby Light. It is a drop thinner than regular chenille yarns, so the dolls that I made with it came out a bit smaller than regular, and I think they look really cute. Then I made a bunch of these ducklings. For these, I used a standard sized chenille yarn, so they came out a bit bigger. I also made this cow, which I think came out really cute. For most of these, I used Chenille Baby, also from Ice Yarns. And as you can see, it's a drop thicker than the other ones, so they come out a little bit bigger. Even though I'm using the exact same pattern for both of them, I followed a tutorial from Rose and Lily Amigurumi, but as you can see, the sizes come out a bit different since the yarn is a bit thicker for the bigger one and a bit thinner for the little one. Here's a closer look on the yarns compared to each other, so you could see the difference in the sizes. For the bigger one, I use a 4.5mm hook, and for the thinner one, a 4mm hook. And now for a whip, I started making these granny squares with Lorena yarn from Ice Yarns also. I use purple and pink in alternating patterns, and this yarn is really fun and easy to work with. It doesn't split at all and I love it. It's a 50-50 acrylic and cotton blend, and I'm hoping to make some kind of sweater with it, so I need to make a bunch more of both colors of the granny square. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you by next update. Bye!